Hello guys, welcome back once again to Cruise Ship Life with Dero. In today's video we are going to be traveling from Nairobi all the way to Kotor in Montenegro via Istanbul. It's a journey of around 12 hours. I hope you enjoy and also keep subscribing, sharing and also commenting on my videos. So our first flight from Nairobi to Istanbul will take around 7 hours, and we are going to be leaving Nairobi at around 1 a.m. and arriving at 8 in the morning. So guys, enjoy the flight and also continue subscribing and sharing and commenting on the video. So the flight is finally underway, and so far it's a smooth flight. On the airplane I can see Turkish airline is a nice airline. The leg room is quite sufficient, and also the service is also excellent. And as you can see the view from outside, the weather is so excellent, and we are expected to have a small flight all the way to Istanbul. So we are finally in Istanbul, in the new international airport. So guys, remember Istanbul has two international airports. The old Atatürk International Airport, which is found on the Asian side, and the new international Istanbul International Airport that is found on the European side. We are going to be having a layover of more than 3 hours, and during this time we are going to have time to explore the airport and take shots of some of the most interesting places, since we are going to be here for the next 3 hours before we can join our next flight to Podgorica, Montenegro. So the airport was quite large with so many interesting places to visit. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be uploading a new video just dedicated to the airport. For now, we have to leave for our next flight to Podgorica, which is the capital city of Kotor. It's a flight of around 2 hours. So we have finally arrived in Montenegro at the Podgorica International Airport. That's a very difficult word to pronounce. So the airport is located in the capital city, which is Podgorica. This is one of the main cities in Montenegro, together with Tivat and Kotor. Montenegro basically have two main international airports, which is Podgorica and Tivat International. The city of Podgorica is just north of Liskanda and close to the coastal destination on the Adriatic Sea. Historically, it was Podgorica's position at the confluence of Ribinica and Moraka rivers and at the meeting point of the fertile Zeta Plain and Bejobravic Valley that encouraged settlement. The area is generally mountainous, and from the airport you can see the Black Mountains. Did you know that Montenegro derives its name from the word Black Mountains, which are visible in all of Montenegro? Please write in the comment below if you have any other information where the country derives its name or any other interesting stuff about Montenegro. Guys, it's now time to travel from Podgorica to Kotor. The journey will take around 2 hours. It's 41 kilometers, and you can travel from Podgorica to Kotor either by using a shuttle bus or a taxi. After traveling for 20 hours, we have finally arrived in the hotel where we are going to take a rest and ready to join the ship on the following day. The hotel is basically a boutique hotel, very nice room, and also with a very fantastic view from outside the balcony. Wow, it's finally morning, and from the room balcony, you can see the Bay of Kotor. It's very beautiful. You can also see the Black Mountains in the back. I think this is one of the most beautiful places I've visited, yet to visit. The air is very cool, very friendly, and I hope we are going to have a very nice day. For now, just review with some beautiful shots of the Bay of Kotor, and also uh, the journey from the hotel to the ship. So guys, we are finally coming to the end of the journey. The ship that I will be joining and that will be home to me for the next 6 to 7 months is right ahead of us. Thank you for watching this video, and I would also request that you continue subscribing, sharing, and also commenting on the video. I'll be doing amazing content on destinations that we are going to visit. I will also do some videos on how you can join different ships as a crew member or also as a guest and explore the world.